What's up, guys? Today we will be doing an unboxing for Nadula Hair, and this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this with my own money. I ordered the What's up, my lovelies? Today we'll be doing an unboxing video on Nadula Hair. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money, and I just wanted to get the insight, do an unboxing so that y'all can see what this hair is about. It's literally all over my TikTok, and it influenced me to buy it off of TikTok shop. So yeah, we're here. The package got delivered within probably like a week. It was super quick. It got delivered like 3 days ago, but I wanted to come on here and unbox it with you guys. So let's get right to it. Package shipped through UPS, so here it is. And it wasn't left in the mail carrier like boxes. It was left at my door. So UPS ground is what they use to deliver the package to you. So let's get to unboxing. Okay, so first impression, I'm a Virgo, so I notice everything. Hence why I fixed the trash can here and whatever, my little satchel that was sitting here. I just could not look at it any longer. But a little string coming out, so let's poke it in but not look at what's inside. So let's act like we got it like this. This is going to be the box, and it just says Nadula Hair. Be confident, be bold, be you. 100% virgin human hair. So this is what the box looks like. So very nice. Usually I get boxes from hair companies and they're all banged up. This one actually stayed intact very well. So this is going to be the flap to open it up, and this is what you get when you open it up. This is so cute. It's giving like you purchased from like a designer store or something, I don't know. But it says, don't quit, don't stop, don't give up, keep it moving. I like that. It's a cute little inspirational moment when you're opening up your hair. So the packaging is very pretty. Like, I think they did a great job on as far as like picking the box and stuff. So then your box opens up like this. First thing that I see is a little cute mesh baggie, and this is what it was sticking out. That's so funny. In that bag, I have a freaking ton of these. Like, what are these? The head straps where you lay your wig? I really don't even lay my wigs anymore. Like, I literally just, I don't know, like I just do the glueless method. So I have a ton of these. I use them sometimes when I do want to lay my hair down. In this instance, for my birthday, I am laying my hair. So definitely going to utilize that. And then it also came with an HD wig cap, which I've never used before. I usually just use like the regular ones, but I did see the girlies on TikTok are using this not HD wig cap, but it's like a wig cap that is already the bald cap method, which whenever I do a installation video for this wig, I will definitely buy that and let you guys know how it works, because doing the bald cap method with this is very time consuming, and when my birthday rolls around, I definitely want something that can be super quick. So yeah, I'm probably gonna make that purchase, definitely. So we got our little HD wig cap for now. And then she sent over these cute little falsy nail professionals. This is so cute. I don't usually wear like press-ons, but these are adorable. So that's so nice of her to include. I keep saying her like I just know who it is. I just assume Nadula, her. Let's just say they, because we don't want to assume the pronouns, okay? It's so nice that they included that in the package. So thank you so much. Now let's get into what we've all been waiting for, the hair. I'm so excited. So hair is here. Oh, hold on. Before we do that, I have no idea what these are. What are these? I think these are like the little tape thingies that people are starting to use. to lay down their wig. I want to say that I used this one time. I think it was in like my mom's bathroom, and I was just like, whatever, I'm just gonna use it. And it didn't work for me. So if it does work for you, it is included. And then also a cute little card with Nadula on it. And then it says you're invited to get $10 refund. So she gives you a $10 refund immediately if you do a review on the wig. So that's super, super cool. So you just scan the QR code and read all the information on the card. Now back to the wig. So let's go ahead and take this out. Wow. Let's go on this side. This is a lot longer than I thought. I think 24 inches is not 24 inches like it was back in the day. I swear when I was ordering 24-inch wigs, like when I was in high school, they probably, and it's probably because I'm tall, but they like came like right below my bra line. I swear. Or maybe I'm just tripping, but I think this is very, very long. So I'm happy with it. Nobody's complaining. So like I said, I got the Yaki straight. Look how this moves. Like, oh my God. This is just straight out the pack. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Obviously the lace comes already done up for you, so you can kind of see that. I like the wig cap size, like the actual part where you put it on your head. It's very, very nice size. I usually struggle with small head problems, and I was about to say small head syndrome. I struggle with small head problems, and sometimes wigs can come very, very large. Like this one I have, like the back of it here is like touching the bottom of my neck, like, and I hate that because there's no adjustable. This one actually looks like it's gonna fit my head, so I'm super excited about that. It does come with like a jelly, I don't know how to call this, but like it's something that is gonna be a non-slip jelly that is gonna be at the bottom of the wig cap so that it doesn't slip off. And then obviously you do have your adjustables here that if you wanted to make the wig tighter or a little bit looser, you can. Combs, finally a wig with combs. I barely get like my wigs with combs. Like I have to usually install it, so that's really, really good. Also, it did come with this extra strap. So let's check this out really quick. This is really, really nice. So this is like extra support. So this is what I have on my wig right now on my head. But I don't have like the comb. I don't have like that extra support that this wig is giving. Okay, boom, I think we got it in. So extra strap, two other straps that are inside, comb, a lot of support here. And yeah, so I'm excited. So what do y'all think about me putting this on right now so that we can just see it straight out the box? I just want to see, they always promote, it's ready to go, wear it quick. So let's see what it's giving. So this is me not doing anything to the wig. It's almost, I don't know what they call it when it's not fully like a full frontal, but it's not a closure. It's like in between. So like a lot of the girlies are like leaving like their hair out on the side here just to make it look like to mesh their hair. I don't have hair, so that's not gonna work. So we just gonna have to make this get jiggy another way. So, I mean, I'm not gonna be putting the hair up as much, but I did like a few of the styles that were on TikTok that the girlies were doing. Super, super nice. It's so soft. It literally feels like my textured hair when it was a lot longer, blown out. Of course, I'm gonna style it, but I wanna do a separate video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see a video of this style. Like right now, I just feel like it's sitting. So I really just want to make it look a little bit more alive, but I like the starting point and I like where we're at right now. Let's get a few close-ups on the hair. Here I use to tint my lace. So a lot of people use like their foundation and stuff like that. I have a hard time doing that because I don't wear foundation. The only thing that I wear is concealer, and then I use bronzer. And my concealer is way too light, my bronzer is way too dark. So I went ahead like literally like maybe years ago, I got this from Wig Dealer. It's a lace blend. I love this, and it's lasted me so long. But this is in the color Chestnut, and it's a semi-permanent lace tint. So obviously when you wash it, it'll come out, and then you'll just need to respray. But it'll get rid of that like white cast look it's giving on the lace. It'll get rid of that. I also wanted to let you guys know that I did a video on my new ebook, The Model's Playbook. Please go check it out. It would mean a lot if you are looking to transition into the model industry, or if you are already a native in the model industry, you're just wanting a refresh. Check out my ebook. I will also be doing a few looks that I know that will help you in the industry. I have short hair, I have a pixie cut, but I have different wigs that I can switch up. So if the client wants longer hair, I can provide them with longer hair. If they want a cute little bob moment, mid-bob moment, I can provide that to them. So it's important to have wigs like this because it'll help you be versatile in the industry. I'll have a link down below. If y'all have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Ask me questions. I love questions. So if you have any video ideas, send that to me as well. I'll see you guys later. Bye.